Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ram 3500 headlight. Replacing your truck's headlight assembly is a straightforward process that enhances both safety and visibility. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have clear instructions. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, to get the job done efficiently. First, park your Ram 3500 on a flat surface and ensure the engine is off and cool. Pop the hood and remove the plastic cover over the radiator support, usually held by several push pins. Next, locate and remove the bolts, often 10mm, that secure the top and sides of the front grille. Gently pull the grille forward to release any remaining clips, being careful not to break them. With the grille removed, you'll see the headlight assembly. Remove the 2 or 3 bolts, typically 10mm, that hold it in place. There's often a hidden clip or latch accessible from the fender well that needs to be pushed up to release the assembly. Carefully pull the old headlight out, then disconnect its electrical harness by pressing the release tab. Connect the new headlight's harness, slide it into position, and secure all bolts and clips. Now it's time to reassemble your truck. Carefully align the front grille and push it firmly into place until all clips engage, then reinsert its securing bolts. Replace the plastic radiator shroud and all its push pins. Finally, start your Ram 3500 and test both the low and high beam headlights to confirm they are working correctly. If needed, adjust the headlight aim for proper road illumination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.